Okay, let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Guys, sa video ito guys ay aking ipapakita sa inyo kung paano natin malalaman ang ating team rewards points. Yung total rewards points ng ating team. So guys, ang una natin gawin, pipindutin natin yung asterisk 143 number sign. Then pindutin natin yung team sim. Pagkatapos pipiliin natin yung number 9 rewards. So ita-type natin yung number 9. Then, pagkatapos natin ma-type yung number 9, pindutin natin yung send. Then, pipiliin natin yung check globe rewards points. So, i-type natin yung number 2, then pindutin natin yung send. So, piliin natin yung total available points. So, i-type natin yung number 1, then pindutin natin yung send. Thank you, your request is being processed and SMS will be sent to you. So, pindutin natin yung okay. So, makakatanggap tayo ng text messages guys sa 4438. So, mayroon tayong 2.75 TM rewards points. So, ganyan na po kadali malalaman yung ating rewards points sa ating TM SIM. So, see you on my next video and God bless.